Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Neem Flower Ginger Tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium till the end. Today I have taken a bunch of neem leaves. You can see we have some flowers on it. Pick the flowers and add it to the water. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Neem flowers has a lot of health benefits such as reducing bile, controlling phlegm and reducing intestinal worms. These flowers are a natural immunity booster, relaxes and relieves stress, great for skin, offers hair benefits, has antiseptic properties, helpful in muscle spasm and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this Neem Flower Ginger Tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the neem flower and the ginger has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Serve the neem flower ginger tea nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this neem flower ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. Now to this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida, the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of neem flour. Saute well until the tomato turns mushy. Neem flowers has a lot of health benefits such as reducing bile, controlling phlegm and treating intestinal worms. These flowers are a natural immunity booster, relaxes and relieves stress, great for your skin, offers hair benefits, has antiseptic properties, helpful in muscle spasm and helps in weight loss. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now our delicious neem flower rasam is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. So do try this neem flower rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.